BioHairMD presents Harrts Fuesion X, AI and AR-assisted robotic hair transplant system. World's first and only hair transplant system enhanced with artificial intelligence, augmented reality, computer vision, and 5-axis of freedom robotic arm. Apart from inheriting all the capabilities of the Harrts Fuesion 2.0, the Harrts Fuesion X assists the hair restoration surgeon in all 3 steps of hair transplant, namely pre-procedure, procedure, and post-procedure. In the pre-procedure stage, the surgeons can utilize the Harrts Fuesion Hair Studio tool. The Harrts Fuesion Hair Studio, hair transplants result simulation tool. It allows surgeons to virtually simulate multiple results for different plans on the patient's own photos. The surgeon can decide the number of grafts, the areas to be implanted, color of the hair, and also generate separate reports for different plans for the same patient, which allows the patient to choose an appropriate plan for himself. Harrts Fuesion X. Automation at procedure level. At the procedure level, the Harrts Fuesion X assists at both extraction, as well as the implantation stages. The Harrts Fuesion automated extraction couples both scoring of the grafts, and the extraction, into one single step, thus reducing the time of graft harvestation to less than half. This, along with the 2-sided extraction utility, effectively reduces the harvestation time by 4 times. Harrts AI camera calculates, analyzes and differentially localizes different types of grafts in donor area, in high magnification. The Harrts Fuesion robotic arm automatically mobilizes the AI camera towards the target area of extraction, based on the graft's extraction strategy. Artificial intelligence software formulates strategy of graft extraction, based on the desired results of the hair transplant procedure. Augmented reality glasses provides 100 inches high resolution, see-through heads-up augmented reality display. Harrts V5 pen implanter automates the implantation procedure, with improved efficacy and precision. The Harrts Fuesion robotic arm has the following advantages: lightweight, high accuracy, and greater precision. 5 degrees of freedom, ensure smooth human-like movements. Automatically mobilizes the AI camera towards the target area of extraction, based on the graft's extraction strategy. Automatically scans the donor area, and along with the AI camera, provides data about the donor area, like the size of the donor area, number of grafts in the donor area, different types of grafts in the donor area, and their location in the donor area. Automatically tracks the surgeon's handpiece while extraction, ensuring the AI camera always maintains the operative field and focus. Voice-enabled commands for ease of use. Great user-friendly controls. While extraction, the up to 50x live feed AI video camera helps in. The up to 50 times zoom improves the visualization of the donor area and grafts drastically, in comparison to naked eye vision. The high magnification allows the surgeon to visualize the orientation and angulation of the hair follicle beneath the skin, thereby allowing the surgeon to orient the punch in the direction of the follicle beneath the skin, and thereby reducing the chances of graft transection while harvesting. The greater visibility of the graft orientation and angulation improves the graft yield number by reducing the graft damage. Improves the yield, and also reduces the graft damage in curly, wavy, thin, and body hair follicle extraction. Knowing the nature of the grafts, in relation to the number of hair in it, for example 1, 2, 3, or 4 hair follicular units, in real time. Knowing the exact location of these 1, 2, 3, or 4 hair follicular units in the selected donor area, in real time. Knowing the nature of the grafts in relation to the number of hair in it. For example 1, 2, 3, or 4 hair follicular units. Differentially localizing and harvesting different types of grafts. While extraction, the 100 inches see-through augmented reality glasses helps in. Provides high resolution, and high magnification live feed screen, floating right in front of the surgeon's eyes. Nullifies the need for the surgeon to bend down and look at the donor area, thereby avoiding any postural fatigue. The higher magnification and resolution on a big floating display improves the visibility, and thereby improves the precision and accuracy while grafts extraction. Reduces the graft's transection, and increases the graft's yield while extraction. The Harrts Fuesion X robotic hair transplant system is enhanced with machine talk technology, which allows the surgeons to virtually use all controls of the system by giving voice commands. This great hands-free feature comes in handy for the surgeons to maintain asepsis in the operating room, and also increases the ease of operation. Harrts Fuesion X, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, computer vision, and robotic arm enhanced complete automation solution for your hair transplant needs. BioHairMD. Maximize your mojo.